Hello, in this tutorial, I'll show you how to cancel a meeting in Google Calendar. The first thing I'd like you to do is to launch your Google Calendar web application, which of course I have done right here. You can do the same on the mobile application. It's pretty much the same process. So how can you create an account on Google Calendar? It's pretty simple. Launch in a browser of your choice and locate the search bar. In the search bar, type calendar.google.com, and that's going to take you into your customized homepage. I'd like you to know that as far as you have your Google account already set up in your PC, then signing into Google Calendar is pretty much automatic. Google automatically creates an account for you. So now that we're in this homepage, let's quickly hop into today's steps, and that is how to cancel a meeting in Google Calendar. From this homepage, I'm going to have to locate an event that I have. So this is an event I created, and I'm just going to click on that event. It has no title. Let me edit it. So click on this edit event button. And I'm going to say this as prayers. Okay. Prayers. So there's an event. So I'm just going to click on that. Once I click on that event, if I want to cancel, all I need to do is to just check this icon to the top corner. You have the edit event, you have delete event, you have email event details, and you have the more options. Okay, so for me to delete this event, I'm just going to have to click on this delete event, or for me to cancel, I just have to click on delete event, and that event is going to be deleted. Once the event has been deleted, that's me canceling. Now you can go about this tutorial from top to bottom to get acquainted with the steps, and of course, once you're done, you will be good to go. I hope this tutorial marvelously helped your search.